Christus, Kremvase Azantes, welcome video lovers, welcome to Tech Nerd 1.0. Adventurers, I am currently in a very cold garage.
This is hard for you. But winter is coming.
It's freezing. I don't want to be here. And so we're going to make this quick. But I have brought to you today this beautiful set of Ameriglo sights. And these are the Ghost Ring variety. Now, as you may or may not know, I really like Ameriglo sights, and I generally get the Ameriglo Defenders, I think they are called. I've shown them on some of my Glocks before. I really like those, but I want to take a chance on these. I thought these would be maybe something extra. This is my 43, and this is usually what I carry when I do carry. Of course, nothing is going to improve your accuracy other than practice, but a good set of sights will help. So that's what we're going to do here. Now, currently, I just have the factory Glock sights on there. So that's it. We're going to open these and we're going to show them to you. And then we're going to go off camera. I'm going to install them and then we'll come back. As you know, I cannot install things here on YouTube. They don't like that. Not at all. But while I do have you here, while I'm opening this, I should let everyone know I do have some. I recently was able to get some monetization options going here on YouTube. So you may see an option down below to send me a super thanks. I believe that's what it's called. And we also have memberships now. So I don't know if that will be showing up yet. And I'm going to be formulating my membership things as time goes on here. Basically, what we're thinking is just doing some exclusive videos and then maybe some social media stuff, maybe some merch, such like that. But please, if you do like this content, as always, like, share, and subscribe. But if you could, I would appreciate a little super thanks as well. And there's the back. That is the rear sight right there. And these are both sights, rear, forward, and rear, are night sights. Now, the forward sight is probably very familiar to you if you use or know of any Ameriglos. So you'll see there, these are going to be, should be able to pick these up very easy. My aging eyes should be able to pick those up pretty easy. And I'm hoping these are going to fit. Looks like they are. It did not say, by the way, most sites are going to tell you, they're for certain Glocks and certain not Glocks. These ones seem to say from when I bought them, it just says Glock. Apparently, these fit any type of Glock. I find that hard to believe, but there you go. And that's what your sight picture is going to look like. Now, we'll test these out in the field as soon as I get them out there. But that is what they look like. That's what you get when they come. Again, we're going to take a little break. I'm going to get these installed, and then we'll be back. We'll take a look at how they look. All right, so stay tuned. Be right back. All right, adventurers, we are back, and the sights are installed. And here they are. Now, look at that front sight. Glows like the sun. Look at that. Look at that. Now, here you go. Here is your sight picture. That's pretty amazing right there, I got to say. Let's get a close-up of the rear sight. That's pretty amazing, I got to tell you.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Really, really nice. Look at that. That really is almost like having a red dot. I don't, I thought for a long time about getting a new slide for my 43, maybe getting it cut. Well, I don't know. I'm going to test these out. I don't know if I'm going to need one. I don't know. That's a really nice. Now, I will say they're tall. They're pretty tall. I mean, look at them. It's a pretty tall sight. Is that going to snag on some stuff? Yeah, maybe. I think so. Then again, that could be a good thing. You could use this as a racking platform, you know. But they are tall. But boy, look at that sight picture. That is that is pretty. Yeah. I don't know. I like it. I do like it. We'll have to test these out and see what they look like. They're a little odd looking though. I mean, you look at it like that. It's a little strange. You know, they're up there real high like that. I don't know, but wow, if you have vision problems, if you're nearsighted like myself, or if you're just getting old, boy, I would really look into these. Really, really nice sight picture on those. Up real high. Yeah, that's awesome. Really, really is. And effortlessly comes up. I'm going to have to test these out. Boy, I don't know. Would these replace my protectors, my beloved Ameriglo protectors? I don't know. I don't know. Really nice though. We'll have to see. That's going to be the ultimate test. See how they work in the field, you know. Now this is again a 43. That's it's a pretty up close and personal type gun. So not for long distances. So we'll probably test this out at a standard FBI defensive distance, probably something like 7 yards. I don't think I don't see myself having any problem hitting a steel target at that point. But we'll put up some shoot and see targets too, and see how those look. But man, I like that. That is nice. That is a really nice sight picture right there. Easy to maneuver, easy to get it right up to your eye. Easy for both eyes open shooting, I think. It's going to make it really easy for that. I mean, I'm looking at it right now. Really easy. Yeah, I mean your sight picture comes right up immediately. It's like it's like a red dot. It's like your own little red dot, like a little video game almost right there. I don't know, guys. I like it. I like it a lot. We'll get out there and test this. We'll see what it looks like. But if you're looking, this is those. These are the Ameriglo Ghost Ring series. I'll put a link down here in the doobly doo if you want to grab a pair of these. Really nice. Really nice sight picture. Okay, guys, short video. That's about all I have for you. We'll get out there and test these as soon as you can. Keep in mind what I said. We've got the super thanks and the memberships. Please partake of those if you can. If you can't, please like, share, and subscribe. Come back always to visit. And don't forget to fire off around at that bell notification so you can be notified every morning at 9 a.m. when our videos come due. Thank you, folks. This is Tacknerd, and I am out of here.